Hey guys, it's Jen. Welcome back to my channel. Thanks for stopping by today. If you're new to my channel, I am a working mom. I work full-time outside the home and I love to post all kinds of videos about grocery hauls, meal plans, cooking, cleaning, just a mix of things. And recently I've been posting some more what I eat in a week videos. So if you're not already subscribed, I would love to have you. And if you are a subscriber, welcome back. So today I have a Trader Joe's haul to share with you. It's been over a month since I have gone there, and I had some time this afternoon after I got out of a doctor's appointment before I had to come back home. And so most people would probably go to the mall, but what do? I go to a grocery store. So let me just show you what I picked up. It's basically a mix of things. There's really no meal plan since this is just a random haul. So I got some romaine lettuce. If you've watched some of my videos before, you know that I like to wash my own lettuce, and I actually have a video on how to wash produce. So I will go ahead and link that down below if you're interested. But I like to chop these up, soak them in lemon water, and spin them dry. So those will be for use with salads this week. I have never tried the Trader Joe's cottage cheese, but I heard it was good, and I saw some other YouTube kind of reviews on it that it was really good. So I decided to get some of that. This is the small curd 4% cottage cheese. This is a new item for me too. This is the cauliflower tabbouleh. It is originally, or more traditionally I guess, made with bulgur wheat, but this is grain-free and they use cauliflower instead. So I'm looking forward to trying this. I got some sliced rosemary ham lunch meat. I got 2 packages of that. If you guys have never tried this, you're missing out. This rosemary ham is really delicious. We like it just as a snack, rolled up with cheese, or also on a ham sandwich too. I got a few different types of cheese. I got some blue cheese. I'll probably use this for salads, and I like to make my own blue cheese dressing. This is my favorite cheese from Trader Joe's. It's the unexpected cheddar cheese. It's a really good sharp white cheddar. And then I've never tried this before either, but saw it on another video. This is the 1,000 day aged Gouda cheese. This one's a little bit pricier. It was, let's see, almost $7. But I like cheese, so I'm willing to pay it. I got some other types of prepared meats. This looked really good. I have never bought their pastrami before from Trader Joe's, but like I said, it looked good, so I thought we would try that. This is another thing that I saw on a YouTube video. This is the chow pepperoni, and both my kids really like to snack on pepperoni, and this is a great high-protein snack to eat with cheese sticks. I also picked up this gorgonzola and walnut salad. I'll probably use this for a lunch this week. I've had this once before. It's pretty good. It is gorgonzola, walnuts, grape tomatoes, and salad greens with a balsamic vinaigrette. It doesn't seem to me like there's that much blue cheese on this, so I'll probably add some more to that when I eat it. This is also a new item for me. This is the balsamic vinegar rosemary chicken breast. I've tried this type of chicken before, but not this flavor, and this is really convenient to have on hand if you want to make salads and do meal prep for work. I do that a lot. Bring my own salads for lunch, so that will be really good for that. I picked up some of these granola bars for the kids. They are the chewy coated and drizzled peanut butter granola bars. They like the chocolate chip ones of these, so I thought I would give these a try. And then they had a huge display of these maple leaf cookies. We probably won't eat these right away, but when my kids start school, I'm going to go back to making like fun themed school lunches for them. Kira will be in 4th grade and Connor will be in kindergarten, and so I thought these would be fun to use for like a fall themed lunch. It says they have a maple cream filling, so those look good. Adam and I have been doing keto and low carb and just trying to eat a lot healthier, especially during the week. And so I've been using a lot of almond flour in different recipes. I made some blueberry muffins this weekend using almond flour, and just trying different ways to kind of cut down on our starches. So I got 2 bags of these. Both of these have, or each of these have 4 cups of almond flour, and they were around $7. Almond flour is a lot more pricey than regular flour, but it's a pretty decent price compared to what I've seen in the other stores. When I go back to Costco, I really need to look and see if I can find it there instead. This is a new to me product also. This is the smoked apple Chardonnay chicken sausage. Got some of that. That will be good to saute up with maybe some marinara sauce and some zoodles. We've been loving to have zoodles lately. My kids love these, and so I get them every time I go. These are just the fruit wraps. So I got 2 apple wild berry, 2 apple raspberry, and 2 apple strawberry. They like to have those in their lunches when I pack them and for snacks. We've never tried these before either. We have gotten the soft and juicy mangoes, and they're really good, but I thought we would try the mandarins. I have some mangoes in the cupboard from Aldi, and so hopefully the kids like these. They look really good, and I've seen other YouTubers haul them and say they are good as well. The last time I was at Trader Joe's, I had seen this shelf-stable whipping cream, and I didn't get it, but I thought I would get it this time. Basically, you can just keep this in your pantry, and then it's preserved, so you don't need to refrigerate it. And then when you need it, you can pop it in the fridge for a little bit, whip it up if you want to with like a little bit of powdered sugar or Splenda if you want to make like a whipped cream topping, or you could probably even use it for a creamy soup as well. I like to get the smoked paprika from Trader Joe's. I really can't find smoked paprika anywhere else around here. I live in Iowa, and so sometimes in more rural areas it's difficult to find stuff like this, and so I was out. I wanted to make sure I replenished that. I also picked up some of the Trader Joe's brand tartar sauce. It always seems like when we want to have fish, I never have any tartar sauce on hand, and we end up making it with stuff we have in the refrigerator, but it's just nice to have this on hand, so I'll stick this in the pantry and we can use it next time we have fish. I have purchased this before and I love it. I was out, so I needed a new jar. This is the Trader Joe's aioli garlic mustard sauce. I really like to use this when I make marinades for like chicken, or it's really good on a ham sandwich. It's also good to dip salmon in. Basically anything you would use Dijon mustard for. I don't know, it's just like a cross between mayo and Dijon mustard. You can see the nutrition facts there. It only has 10 calories and 0 carbs per serving, but I would definitely recommend this. Just kind of, you know, experiment with different ways that you'd like to use it. I don't know if I mentioned salad dressing, but I have made salad dressings with this before too, and it's really good. Adam really likes clam chowder. He's probably the only one here that likes it, and so I decided to get one of these for him. Like I said, during the week we're really trying to cut down on our carbs, but one serving of this has 10 carbs, so he'll probably eat that sometime on the weekend. He loves clam chowder. I've never tried this before either. This is the Green Dragon hot sauce, so I wanted to have that in the fridge to keep on hand. I've had this before, the salsa verde. This is really good to make like slow cooked chicken or pork with, if you want to throw this in the crock pot with chicken breasts or pork loin and then make tacos out of it. It's really good, and it's also really good for dipping with tortilla chips. I also got some of the Trader Joe's pizza sauce. This actually had pretty good nutrition information. A quarter of a cup has 40 calories and only 5 grams of net carbs, which is really not bad. A lot of them are pretty high in sugar, so I thought I would keep this on hand in case we needed it. And then I got a few different pasta sauces. This is the Rustico Pomodoro pasta sauce, and then I picked up also one of the Trader Joe's Alfredo. My kids really like to eat fettuccine Alfredo or chicken Alfredo, and then they also like tortellini with Alfredo as well, and so I always like to have a couple jars of this on hand. Okay, so I'm going to be out of town all week next week for work, and I don't want to make bad choices while I'm there, and so I always try to kind of pack some different things that are shelf stable that I can take with me in my bag. That way if I'm staying in a conference all day, you know, I have things to snack on rather than just get chips out of the vending machine. So I got one of these protein bars. This is the maple glazed donut. I actually might give that to Adam because I'm not a big fan of maple donuts, but he'll probably like it. I got 3 of the Power Crunch bars. I've had these before and they are really good. If you guys are looking for a way to snack on something that tastes kind of like a Kit Kat and it's low sugar, low carb, these are awesome. I got one of the triple chocolate, one of the French vanilla, and one of the peanut butter chocolate. I've also found these before at Walmart. They have them too, but they're really good. I would definitely recommend them. And then everyone talks about Quest bars. I personally have never had Quest bars before, but I decided to give them a try. So I got one of the mint chocolate chunk and one of the s'mores. You know, typically I'm not a big like protein bar person personally. I would rather eat food. Like I would rather eat, you know, beef jerky or string cheese or nuts or something like that. But these are nice to have on hand if you have a sweet craving, or like I said, if you're going to be out of town for work, they're just nice to keep in your bag, something to munch on if you get really hungry. I got 2 of these Chomps grass-fed beef sticks. They were a little bit pricey, $1.69 each, but I like that they're individually wrapped and you don't have to refrigerate them. So these will be going in my bag as well. The other thing that I got to take with me, and I'll actually portion this into some little containers or bags, but it's the Thai lime and chili almonds. Those are low in carbs and they sounded really good. If you guys are interested in seeing a kind of working mom travel vlog, let me know, because I'm going to be doing that, or I'm going to be traveling next week, and I thought that might be interesting to some people. I watch Brianna Kay here on YouTube, and she's also another working mom who travels quite a bit, and I love watching actually her vlogs, kind of how she preps and how she packs, and I don't know, I just think it's really interesting. So let me know if you'd be interested in something like that. I saw these on Tiffany's YouTube channel. Her channel is Simple Life, and she also does keto. She shared these crisp breads from Trader Joe's, and so I got 2 packages of these, but these are only 4 net carbs per crisp bread, so it's actually quite a big kind of square. I thought these would be good to eat with like lunch meat and cheese, or these would also be good if you spread them with cream cheese and sprinkled some of that everything bagel seasoning on top. That would be really good, so I'm going to try that. Okay, so I also got some of these roasted cocoa nibs. I don't know, these are, let's see, 1 gram of carbs per 2 tablespoons. I don't know what they taste like. I assume they taste like a dark chocolate, but it says they're good like in smoothies or sprinkled on yogurt, so I will try those. I got just a few different drinks. I really like Trader Joe's sparkling water, so I got one of the pineapple. And then this tea is really good. It's unsweetened blueberry and pomegranate green tea, but this is really good if you like iced tea. Just make sure it's cold before you drink it. And then I also got a 6-pack of the raspberry lime spring water. This is the sparkling water. I really like the flavors that they have of sparkling water, and so every time I'm there, I make sure to stock up. Okay, so the last thing I have to show you is just one snack item and some frozen items. I found these Bomba peanut snacks at Trader Joe's. I have seen these before on other YouTube channels, but never picked them up. Basically, they just have peanut paste, corn grits, palm oil, and salt. But yeah, I think these are also popular in other countries other than the US. But I got these for my kids to try. They really like peanut butter, so hopefully they will enjoy those. I have bought this many times and I would totally recommend it. This is the Trader Joe's shrimp stir fry. It's basically shrimp stir fry with vegetables and a pepper seasoning. This is super easy to make. It says here it only has 5 grams of net carbs. This is really good to make this for meal prep. Like if you're gonna do meal prep for your work lunches, stick it in a container. It's like, it says actually it's 2 portions or 2.5 portions in here, but honestly, if I was really hungry, I could probably eat this whole bag, maybe 3/4 of the bag. But yeah, I would definitely recommend that to try if you like shrimp. This is sort of a cheat dinner. So I'll put this in the freezer and stash it away for another week. I won't be eating this right away. But this is the Trader Joe's pepperoni pizza mac and cheese. This is so, so, so good. If you like macaroni and cheese and you like pizza, you will definitely love this. It's basically a mac and cheese topped with marinara and pepperoni and mozzarella cheese. It is so good. Make sure you get that next time you go to Trader Joe's. This was a new to me item, the mahi mahi burgers. These are just frozen mahi mahi fish patties. And the cashier was actually telling me that she has had these before and they're really good. They cook them on the grill. So I thought these would be good maybe with some of this tartar sauce. And then if I didn't want to have a bun, I could have like a salad on the side or maybe some coleslaw. So I'm looking forward to trying those. I also picked up a package of these party-size mini meatballs. We've been having a lot of like zoodles lately instead of pasta. The kids are still eating pasta, so this would be an easy thing for me to just throw in some of that marinara sauce, heat it up, and then that would be a quick dinner. I do sometimes shy away from buying prepared ground beef products like this, not because I don't like them, but only because we buy a quarter beef every, twice a year or something like that, and so we already have a ton of ground beef in the freezer, and so sometimes when I buy stuff like this, it kind of seems wasteful to me, like I should be making it myself. But sometimes I think it's okay to take some help from the store, so I'm looking forward to trying those. Connor, one of his favorite meals is orange chicken. Actually, both my kids love orange chicken, so I got them a bag of this to have. I don't have a plan for when, but just someday when they want it. I decided to try the riced cauliflower from Trader Joe's. The kids probably won't eat this, but Adam and I could eat it with like an Asian dish. And then I also have not tried these before. These are the fire roasted balsamic butter sauce vegetables. These looked really, really good. So I might actually make some of these tonight. We're gonna have meatloaf. So I was thinking, actually I got some mashed cauliflower. I was thinking maybe I'd do the meatloaf tonight along with this mashed cauliflower and roasted vegetables. That would be really good. Okay, last thing I got was this cioppino seafood stew. It's basically a tomato broth with seafood in it. Sometimes Adam and I will do like date night, so date night at home. So like we'll send the kids upstairs to watch a movie and eat popcorn, and then him and I will cook dinner. Like sometimes we like to cook steak and scallops, and we just kind of hang out in the kitchen, drink wine, cook dinner, and then eat together while the kids are upstairs. But this has 2 servings per container or per package, and it's only 10 grams of net carbs per serving, so not terrible. So we might have that. Maybe we'll do that this weekend for stay-in date night. So that is it, guys. Thanks for letting me share this super random haul with you. Like I said, if you're not already subscribed, I would love it if you would join my little growing YouTube family here. I actually post a regular grocery haul, typically from Walmart or Aldi. I post that every week on Friday along with our meal plan for the week. And then throughout the week, I post different cleaning videos, cooking videos, different things like that. So thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.